The Mean Stack is an open-source collection of JavaScript technologies used to build dynamic, effective, high-quality web apps. It includes MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS, and Node.js. This stack is becoming increasingly popular, with over 1.2 million packages downloaded weekly via NPM. Developers worldwide are eager to master Mean Stack development, which promises to revolutionize web development. Mean Stack development offers a comprehensive package from client-side service to database storage. It provides everything a developer needs, from client service to client-service-side database support. This stack is advantageous due to its ability to handle millions of connections simultaneously, making it immensely scalable and adaptable. The Mean Stack facilitates rapid web application creation, making it a preferred choice for many developers. MongoDB is an open-source, document-oriented database known for its excellent storage and performance capabilities. It serves as the data storehouse for applications written in JavaScript, eliminating the need for translations when objects move between software applications. MongoDB's flexibility and scalability make it an essential component of the Mean Stack, enabling developers to build robust and efficient web apps. Express.js is an open-source web application framework designed for Node.js. It promotes quicker web application development by enhancing interactions between data and the front end. Express.js simplifies data transfer to users, ensuring that data reaches its destination efficiently. Its simple features make it a valuable tool for developers looking to build dynamic and responsive web applications. AngularJS, maintained by Google, is an open-source front-end structural framework. It helps developers quickly build single-page apps with dynamic capabilities similar to mobile apps. AngularJS's ability to create highly responsive user interfaces makes it a crucial part of the Mean Stack. Developers rely on AngularJS to build web apps that meet client expectations and provide an excellent user experience. Node.js can handle millions of connections simultaneously, supporting Express.js development and speeding up data-serving connections via AngularJS. It comes equipped with its server, making it easy to deploy MongoDB databases on cloud providers. Node.js's scalability and adaptability make it an essential component of the Mean Stack, enabling developers to meet requests with limited resources efficiently. The Mean Stack is used in various real-world applications, including monitoring expenses, calendar management tools, and workflow management software. The Weather Channel relies on Mean features for seamless operation, including functionality and essential weather forecasts from AngularJS. Trello, a Node.js-based project management application, uses Mean to construct an event-driven, transparent, and quick prediction system. The Mean Stack's flexibility and open-source framework make it invaluable for developing dynamic web applications. Its ability to handle multiple connections simultaneously and provide a user-friendly experience makes it one of the most widely utilized stacks in web development today. By understanding and utilizing these Mean Stack development tools, developers can achieve their objectives and milestones more efficiently. So why wait any longer? Start developing with the Mean Stack today and experience the benefits of this revolutionary technology.